Yoga for the lower back, live stream class number 153 with an in-person community offering. This is your sneak peek into the live stream room at the guest bungalow. Welcome back. I so enjoyed class today as usual. And I'm excited to report that it's feeling a touch better with the blended offering. I've been teaching in person since 2012, and I've been teaching a live stream since around 2013, 2014, if my memory serves me correctly. But just last year, being 2022, was the first time that I ever taught a blended class, both in person and live stream. And last week was the second time I taught a blended class, live stream and in person. So, still feel confident. By the end of March, it'll be like riding my bicycle, but it felt nice to, slowly work towards my goal of feeling able to conquer both tasks at the same time, having the in-person participants feeling supported and seen, and also the exact same for the live stream participants as well. I am going to share with you my favorite offering for today's class, and that is going to be cow face. Cow face is one of the only postures that I include within my offerings that I would say it's important to understand your right and your lefts. Through my private practice, through sharing yoga with my community, I have found that it's rather normal for individuals not to remember their rights and their lefts. Doesn't matter the age of the individual, doesn't matter the educational background or the profession. It's just a really common thing to get your rights and your lefts mixed up, and I have seen it discourage individuals from participating in yoga, that they don't want to be seen as someone who hasn't learned their rights and their lefts yet. And through practicing with me, I don't make it a big deal at all, because it's truly not. As long as you do one side, just simply do the other. But cow face is special, because if you don't double check your rights and your lefts, you end up in a really awkward position that doesn't appear to be causing harm to the individual, but in my body, it's like fingernails on a chalkboard. So I like us all to double check our rights and our lefts, just to make sure that we're safe in this position and that we're getting the stretch that is truly intended through cow face. So let's begin. You're going to need to make your way down onto your mat. If you want to be in your bed, I do cow face all the time in my bed, so that's an appropriate place to get set up if you'd like. Make sure you always honor your body and you do only what feels right to you. To get started, you're going to place both of your heels to the outside of your right hip. And I want you to stick the right hand out in front of you. And if you look at that hand, it's going to create a J and not an L if you're looking at the right hand. So make sure you see the J that I see. Make sure your heels are truly on the right side of your body. Once you double checked yourself and you're A-okay, we're going to take this right leg and we're going to stack it on top of the left, moving the heels as close to the hips as is comfortable. Attempting to relax your sit bones down towards the mat to the best of your ability based on your flexibility. And we're going to take both of our hands behind our back, Fingertips head towards the tush, and you inhale and lift your chest, opening up that heart center. Inhale to the count of 6 and exhale to the count of 6 all through the nose. You can stay right here for a gentle back bend and a deep stretch of the right hip. Or you can choose to go deeper and walk your hands out forward. Going only as far as it's comfortable for you, relaxing over your legs. With your imagination, you send your breath down to your right hip so it can stretch and relax. Slowly walking your hands back towards your body. You're going to release that top leg. And now you're going to move your heels to the outside of your left hip. Your knees face forward. Now extend your left arm in front of you, and you'll see that your hand creates an M, or the left. So you know you've chosen the correct side of the body to set your heels on. Once you've double checked that you're set up on the left and you're good to go, we're going to take this top leg, which is the left leg, and we're going to stack it on top of the right. Moving the heels as close to the hips as is comfortable, attempting to relax the sit bones back down towards the mat. Hands return behind your back, fingertips towards your tush, and you inhale, lift your chest for a gentle back bend. Only if you're going deeper with me. Walk your hands out forward, relaxing over your legs. Moving to that gentle point of resistance, not beyond. Strengthen your imagination. Send your breath to that left hip so it can stretch and relax. Rolling up, making your hands slide back towards your body. And you can return just to your comfortable seated position. The offering today was based on a participant that came in person and recommended a sequence to help stretch out the lower back. So if you'd like the full 1 hour offering with the intention of improving the flexibility and the comfort in your lower back, and to enjoy the guided relaxation, meditation, and the mudra, the secret language in yoga, make your way to theguestbungalow.com and enter the live stream room. The 1 hour offering is now available on demand to never be deleted. I do hope the Guest Bungalow serves you well. Until we meet again, namaste. Happy March. May your month be filled with so much luck.
Don't forget to stretch. Visit theguestbungalow.com today. We're open 24/7. And now is the perfect time to retreat. For ongoing inspiration, follow us across social media.